Nice. There's it here. The original. Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing today? So today I have a pretty short unboxing. Not much here, as you can see. It's an audio video selector. So basically for your old consoles, if you got a DVD player maybe, those kind of things. Composite RCA. The normal 3-pin one, there's no seal or anything. That's how it comes. Got it from Temu. Looks pretty decent from it. Let's see how it looks here. Nothing much here, nothing much in the box here. Just shows you like a picture how you connect it. Maybe that's about it. Then you got the actual connector here. This is your instructions. 4-in-1. So this is, it looks like metal design. So this actually doesn't need power. If you see my other unboxing, I'll leave a link in the end. The HDMI switch, that actually needs power to get 4K in some instances. When I did the unboxing, basically said you don't need it, but now I see it does go on and off. But as soon as you put power, it works fine, because that's from digital to digital. The HDMI has a voltage on it, 5 volts. So this is old school. There is no basically power you need for it. It's just a pass through. So you, let's see, right, what it got here: manufactured, building, some codes. So basically what you do here, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 inputs and you're out. So this goes to your TV, and then you can put your, say, your PS1, PS2, your Wii, maybe an old Xbox, depends. So I'm going to be using it a PS1, PS2 and a Wii. And then when you select it here, you know your PS1 is on 1. For me it'd be easy, just press 1. PS2, that, and maybe the Wii U, yeah, you know it. And it looks pretty decent quality. It's proper metal. I've seen the cheaper ones. They look like some kind of half triangle or something. They're made out of plastic, and they were more expensive. This actually cost me, it was 220 South African rands. I leave the dollar figure, but I got discount to Temu. You know the story there. Came to about 180. What I paid for it exactly. So I'm gonna do this, basically a simple. Take it off in the box. I'm gonna put it on a TV, see how it works, and I'll see you there, guys. So alright guys, so basically this is how it connects. So this goes to your TV. So it goes here, comes in all the way, goes into your TV. That's the out from here. Then this is your ins. So I got the PS2, I got the PS1 here, and then you just switch over. So I just got this thing here. There's actually no place for the PS1 at the moment, so I just got it left here just for this demonstration. So how's it, guys? I'm at the TV now. So basically I got my PS2, PS1 here. So let's power this thing up. Selector 1, and then got my PS1 here. I think this is selector 3. Nice. There's it here. The original. So this I'm not really going to play on. I just want to test the lag on this here. So it's 1 and 3. I had to put it because this thing wasn't fitting on the TV. So yeah. PS2, PS1. Let's play a game. Na. Need for Speed Most Wanted, Underground, Shadow Arts. Let's play some Dragon Ball Z. Should be the easiest one to play. I just want to see the lag. Let's see what settings are on the actual TV. 8-bit 50 Hz. Okay. Let's see if we change it to 3. What it says. 50 Hz still. So maybe this is pushing at 50 Hz. But the picture is there, is not flickering, nothing, easy access. So I'm playing off the modded PS2 of the USB. So basically I just keep the PS1 that stays in storage because the PS2 does both, so I don't really need.
Dragon Ball Z! Don't underestimate Earth.
Please choose the mode you want to play.
Now, this is a serious time to fight.
And I'm using the wireless controller. You can see the unboxing video of it. Got a PS3 unboxing video of these aftermarket controllers. I'll put links in the end, maybe you can check it out.
Okay.
So I'm just checking any lag or anything, but it seems to be pretty fine. I'll have to use it more long term to give a definite answer. But yeah, so that's pretty much the unboxing and thing of it. It does work pretty nice, keep switching. So, like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, unbox with me out guys, till the next time.